In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter bank transactions in QuickBooks Online manually. Whether you're a small business owner keeping track of your expenses or a freelancer managing different income sources, understanding how to manually input transactions can be crucial. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look towards the top left corner of your screen, and you'll see a button labeled New. This is your starting point for manually entering any transaction. Clicking on New will present you with a menu of transaction types to choose from. Whether it's an expense, income, or any other form of transaction, you can select the specific type you want to record from here. Once you've decided on the type of transaction you're entering, it's time to fill in the details. This step is all about accuracy and ensuring the information you input reflects the actual transaction. Carefully fill in all the necessary fields, which might include the date of the transaction, the amount, a description, a payee, and any other relevant details that QuickBooks asks for. Perhaps one of the most important parts of this step is selecting the proper account category. You want to ensure the transaction is categorized correctly for easy tracking and management later on. This might seem straightforward, but carefully selecting an incorrect category can throw off your financial records or reports. So, take your time and verify that everything is designated to the right accounts, whether it's expenses, going to office supplies, or income from a particular client. After you've entered all the details, double-check everything one last time. It's much easier to fix entries now than to have to untangle them later. If you're satisfied with the information you've entered, it's time for the final step: saving your transaction. Simply click on the Save and Close button. Doing so will add the transaction to your records, and you'll be done. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully entered a bank transaction manually in QuickBooks Online. Remember, keeping accurate and consistent records is a vital part of managing your finances and ensuring your business runs smoothly. By manually entering transactions, you have full control over your financial reporting and can ensure everything is recorded exactly as it should be. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found these instructions helpful. If you did, feel free to stick around for more tips and tutorials that can help streamline your financial management processes.